Air plants are pretty forgiving of neglect, but there are a few ways you can kill them. So this video is going to show some ugly and dying air plants. First up, this is Tillandsia brachycalis. The mother plant here on the left is in the slow process of dying, as the pup here on the right is thriving and has actually surpassed the size of the mother. If this happens to one of your plants, don't worry. This is actually the normal life cycle for the mother plant to fade as the pup or pups grow. You did nothing wrong. This is just their normal cycle. Our next example is Tillandsia funkiana. This plant was sunburned as it was transported in a car. When I reached my destination, I was pretty angry with myself and thought it was a goner. If you sunburn one of your plants, just wait. It might have some living tissue and be able to recover. If you can see, there's a pup starting to form at the base. There are also some healthy pups forming here at the tip. So very slowly, this one will make a recovery. This is another sunburn victim. This is a hybrid, and the right half of it became sunburned, crispy and brown. However, the left half was able to keep living tissue, so I'm hoping that this one can make a very slow recovery. So what will air plants not recover from? Well, they do not forgive if they keep moisture in their bases for too long. The base will actually rot and the plant cannot recover from that. Bulbous air plants, bulbous shaped like this Tillandsia solariana, are particularly vulnerable to this because they can trap moisture down there in the base. And you'll know when they've succumbed because you'll see that that base has a black color. It's rotted. The leaves are brown or a dingy yellow or a black. If you look inside, it'll be rotted. There is no living green tissue left. This is another example. This is Tillandsia colbii. Not bulbous, but the base, the leaves are very tight together and they trap moisture there. And same thing, the base gets a rotten brown color, and actually you see even me handling it, it just falls apart very easily and it will not recover from this. So how do you avoid this? Well, display your plants somewhere that has decent air movement and bright indirect sunlight to try to help avoid this. If you decide to water your plants by soaking, make sure that you dry them upside down so that all the moisture comes out and they dry completely before you return them to their display home. But hopefully this won't happen to your plants, and your plants will thrive and grow healthy. So good luck and happy growing!